Introducing the Cornwell Tools C509 TPMS tool. The C509 is an all-in-one TPMS service and diagnostic tool. The tool offers an abundance of TPMS-related features and functions, all in a compact and lightweight shop tool. Trigger and activate over 98% of OEM TPMS sensors and reset the system all on the same screen. The toolkit includes an external OBD2 module for quick and easy relearn procedures. Need to replace a sensor? No problem. Choose from over 20 different aftermarket sensors and program them using a plethora of different options. Need to change internal PLACARD values because you changed tires on the vehicle? Easy. Simply plug in the OBD2 module, change the values, and press OK. Have a customer that may need some new tires? Use the optional tire tread depth gauge accessory to read tire tread measurements and view wear by the color-coded display. The C509 also offers many other TPMS-related functions to make the entire process a breeze. Available from your local Cornwell dealer.